little bit of a rough start to our Memorial Day trip. Only because I fell down in the garage and I hurt my knee. I'm okay, but it hurt and it sucked. No one wants to fall down, especially when you're older. But anyway, we're making decent time. It is rainy and drizzly kind of the whole way. Hopefully it just stops. I mean, cloudy's fine, but we don't really want it to be raining. We did stop at a rest stop and they have potable water here. So we are filling up our tank, before we get to the campsite. So that'll be one thing less we have to do. We don't know if we're actually going to fit in our campsite though. So, we've seen a picture and we think we'll fit, but we don't know. So wish us luck. Got it in and it was not fun. We had to move a couple of rocks. Well, Paul moved a couple of rocks. Yeah, I don't think this spot is really supposed to fit us, but we got it in there, so we'll see if we can get it level. It's not a very level site at all. Oh boy. So we're on, would you call this day 2 or day 1?
Day 2, yeah. We haven't even been here 24 hours yet.
True. So we, how's it been going?
It's been going good. It's, do we want to start from the beginning?
Sure.
I hear Friday at about probably, what would you say, like 3:30?
3:30. And here is Bayview State Park.
State Park.
In Washington.
Yeah. So it's right next to the tulips area. What's it called? The
Skagit Valley.
Skagit Valley, yeah. The lady at the front office, the ranger, said that we were not going to fit in the spot.
She's like, there's no way.
Multiple times.
There's no way you're fitting.
Not going to fit.
She kept looking out the thing, like looking at our rig, like, oh, you're not going to fit.
The spot, in my defense, the spot said up to 35 foot. And we have a 37 foot. So that's only a 2 foot difference. But then she pulled it up on the computer as we were sitting there, and it said up to 20 foot. It also said tent, and then it said up to 20 foot, up to 25 foot, up to 30 foot, and up to 35 foot. And she's like, it only fits a 20 footer. And I'm like, I'm seeing the same screen you are. But anyway, regardless, it fit. It was fine. It was a little difficult to get in. We had to move a rock, like a big rock. I don't know if we have footage of that. We'll get footage of the big rocks. So that was a lot of fun. It was challenging, but the site's really beautiful.
We're completely surrounded by bushes.
Oh my gosh!
Like completely surrounded.
Yeah, overgrown by blackberry bushes and everything else. It's pretty crazy. So I think getting into stuff back there. It's been a Target.
I think they're okay.
Target.
No, Stella. Yeah, we just.
Hey, Marvin.
Like, hey guys, what are we doing?
Yeah.
We needed a few things. We forgot salt and pepper.
Yeah.
We forgot knives.
Little things.
Like little things. It's very difficult when you aren't in it all the time, but you don't want to double buy things because that doesn't make any sense. So you want to like take stuff from your house, but then like you forget what you had or what you didn't have, and so it's a little bit of a challenge. But we got some stuff, so we're good to go. There's a bunch of people with us. Not with us, but we're all kind of camping near each other. But the spots are very secluded, so we're all like very individual. So anyway, it's very rainy and gross today. It's supposed to be much nicer tomorrow and
like
Monday.
in the 76. and sunny.
So we might get out with the kayaks maybe tomorrow, or just out in general. But it's really gross and rainy today, so we'll probably just hang out in the camper most of the day.
And tonight, the lollies are actually going to be doing a baked potato bar. I don't know exactly what else they're cooking with it, but it's baked potato bar. So we're super excited about that. A little baked potato bar, even though we haven't had a whole lot of potatoes, but it's going to be delicious. So it's going to be like a big group thing tonight, and then we'll take the kayaks out tomorrow and
head home on Monday.
Go do some exploring and stuff tomorrow, and then head home on Monday.
Yeah,
nice Memorial Day weekend.
Nice little Memorial Day weekend. So more to come.
Your turn.
We're on day 2, 3-ish, Sunday. Got here on Friday. Yeah. And tomorrow's Memorial Day. My glasses are steaming up because it's actually sunny now.
It's sunny and nice.
Stopped raining, but it is kind of humid still. So, oh yeah, they're really steaming up. Can't tell. What do you got to say, honey?
Not much.
Having fun?
This place is beautiful.
Did you sleep well last night?
Awesome. I did.
Me too.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, good times. We might go out on the kayaks today. We'll see what's up.
Yep.
Oh, I was there in spirit, I swear.
Holy fly. It's on the internet.
Oh, that was anticlimactic.
That was very anticlimactic, I know.
Sure that's gas?
It's water. Oh, be careful.
Whoa!
Ooh,
There it is. Throw all the hot dogs on there. Right?
Did you finish it? Just trying to decide.
Like corn on the cob.
Little heat marks.
Hold it down.
Are you getting tired? Kill it. Best of those normal fingers in your life.
Sure does. Pretty awesome. Say hi, you're on YouTube. That's what I tell everybody. So we are out of here. It is a gorgeous day. We just left the campsite. It was a tight squeeze, so we got it out. Now we're dumping all our tanks, so we head back down to the house. First shower? Oh, nice.
The cord's not coming out all the way for some reason.
Oh. So camping trip number 2, honey, in the books.
It's in the books.
I mean, it's not really in the books yet until I guess we get home. Because who knows? But we're leaving early. It's like, what, 9:30?
Yeah. It's not
So hopefully we'll beat the Memorial Day traffic. And we'll get home in time to enjoy a nice afternoon. It's going to be like 75 today, so we're in for that.
watch the RV with us.
process of putting the RV back in the backyard. It's a little stressful, but we gotta open the gates. He's gotta open the gates on this side so he can just pull the truck through to the front. He did some mowing of the grass because it gets really long under there. And now we're gonna move it back in the backyard.